Hey gang, pretty excited this morning. Just got some new radios in and we're gonna do an unboxing of them this morning. I don't know if you guys have been using CB radios out in the trails, how you guys are communicating together. I've been using CBs and it seems like a lot of my friends have switched over to these two-ways. So here's the box, let's open it up. This actually came in yesterday. I was so excited to open it, but I wanted to wait so I could do an unboxing video. So these are BaoFeng radios from the good folks over at Amazon, right? Because, well, who's got time to go anywhere else? We've used these radios out in the trails quite a bit lately. I like to follow the rule. If I have to borrow something twice, then I need to get my own. And that's exactly what happened here. I've been borrowing one from my buddy. It's been great, but it was time I had my own. Definitely very secure with all the packaging tape that we have here. We've got some directions, two radios, so I'm not going to open the other one right now. Radio is kept in a nice plastic case here. Nothing seems to be damaged. There's our radio. Battery's not installed. We'll have to unwrap the battery and install the battery. What I will probably do is pause for a while here in a moment and get these charged up. That way we can see a little test demonstration. So some more stuff that we've got in here. It came with an earbud. I don't think we'll be needing that. Antenna, obviously. In order to transmit, I see there are some people that are buying some larger antennas to put on these, so we'll see what happens there. So far out in the trails, our communication has been great. We've got a belt clip and we have a charging dock. So both of these will probably stay docked here in the garage. That way they can be charged up. We also have a strap. So one of the cool things about these radios, and that's I was talking with my buddy here just this past weekend, is unlike the CB, which I love, I've got a CB mounted overhead in the Jeep. I had a CB mounted on the dash in the last Jeep. But these radios you can take with you. So when you get out of the Jeep, your truck, whatever it is you're using, to guide somebody or just to meet up with somebody, you're talking because you guys are stopped out on the trail, you can be radioed to. So when it's time to get moving again, or if somebody needs you for something, you're able to communicate. Your radio's not stuck in the cab of your ride. So I'll get these charged up and maybe we'll talk a little more in depth on them.